The fourth thing that we're going to talk about today is attending to customers or customer service. I think everybody here knows that in Just Salad, who or what is the most important factor in the business? Every single person that walks into this door. So get in groups of twos, please. Sorry, get into two even groups. Two even groups. Two groups. Go. Two groups, two groups, two groups. So all of you guys downloaded Opus, right? Yes or no? One person in your group is gonna pull out your phone and you're gonna show the customer service video to your entire team. Okay, so both groups watched the video, right? And both groups got the same message. And the idea was to give the best service ever.